Welcome back to In the Kitchen with Grace, guys. Today we are doing all of the Thanksgiving recipes. Yummy, yummy. Today we are doing a really easy appetizer, and it is packed with flavor. It's orange cranberry pecan cheese ball or spread. You could do it either way. You could put it into a ball, or you can put it into a little serving dish, and it goes great with crackers and breads like crostini. We love doing cheese balls at our family get-togethers, and we kind of rotate who makes them. This time it's my turn, and I'm excited for this one because it's got all the fall flavors. It's also a great way to use up any of those fall flavors you have left from all your other fall recipes. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, if you're joining in, you really might want to take a break. Make sure your cream cheese has come to room temperature almost. You want it nice and soft so that it's workable. And I'm going to use 2 boxes of cream cheese. 2 8-ounce boxes. Get on in there. It's a nice, good sized bowl. If you are new, welcome. Normally I do all sorts of easy recipes your family will love, including those picky eaters. As a busy mama, guys, I'm all about easy breakfast, lunch, and dinners. Trying to fit that healthy stuff in when we can. Personally, I love to bake, though. It's my favorite, so desserts is my thing. Been cooking a long time. And I love sharing my recipes with y'all because I feel like it makes your meal planning life a lot easier. Plus, it's fun to learn how to cook and make new things. Expand your palate a little bit. Boy, this wrapper's winning. I've got all our recipes going today. We are doing ricotta herb dinner rolls. Got that dough rising. Got the turkey going in the oven. If you need to learn how to make a turkey, roast a turkey, guys, pack it with flavor and that perfect crispy skin. I've got that recipe video for you too. This really made my hands kind of messy, so I'm going to go rinse my hands off really quick and throw this away. Okay, we're going to set the bowl aside. I'm going to grab my cranberries. And you want about, half a cup or so. And a half a cup of chopped pecans. You could use candied pecans if you've got those. I'm gonna just kind of chop these up a little bit more. You know, I could have put this in the food processor. I'm elbows deep in the cooking today and totally forgot about the food processor. This isn't hard to do, though. Anybody can do this. Speaking of appetizers and side dishes, guys, I will link to those playlists above for you because I've got all sorts of easy holiday dishes for you that you can either make at home or make to take to your family gathering for Thanksgiving and Christmas or Easter. Some of Thanksgiving dishes, guys, I have an amazing praline sweet potato casserole. Traditional green bean casserole. What else did we do last year? I'm trying to think. Okay. I think that's chopped up. Well, give it a little chop in here. A little more. The idea is we're going to put some into the cheese ball, and then we're going to actually roll the cheese ball into the rest so that's on the outside. Got a jalapeno popper cheese ball if you got spicy lovers in your family. That one's pretty delicious. We went and visited family down south for Thanksgiving. Was that last year or the year before? They'd never had pickle wrap rolls before. We were like, what? Because that's like a staple up here in the Midwest at family holiday get-togethers. All right, let's get back to our cheese ball. I am going to grab just a pinch of cinnamon. A pinch. And we are going to grab about 2 teaspoons of sugar. I'm going to grab our orange. Actually, let me use the plate that I've already got going. Fewer dirty dishes, the better, right? When you're making the whole Thanksgiving meal. Okay, I'm going to get some zest off this orange, guys, because this adds a ton of flavor to your cheese ball. What holiday sides are you making this year to take along? Ooh, pumpkin pie, guys. If you're into making homemade pumpkin pie, it is so easy, and I've got a great recipe for it for you. Show you how to make a delicious pumpkin pie. Your family will think you bought it from a bakery. But what are you guys gonna make? What are you making to take along? We're doing the turkey. We're doing garlicky mashed potatoes, stuffing, the ricotta herb dinner rolls, and the cheese ball. Other people are doing dessert. I got away from desserts this year, which is kind of funny because I think I'm the best baker in the family. But you gotta let other people take turns, right? We got all this yummy zest. Pull it off of the grater here. Let's put that right on in to our bowl. And let's bring the bowl back. If you have fresh oranges, guys, use the fresh orange juice from them. If you only have jugged orange juice in the fridge, it's okay to use that. We want about 1/4 cup of fresh orange juice. This depends how juicy your oranges are. I'm using a strainer. I don't think mine even has seeds in it, but sometimes the oranges do. So use a strainer. Nobody wants an orange seed in their cheese ball. Okay. If you feel like you need to add a little bit more, you can. But again, we're aiming for about 1/4 of a cup there. I'm going to go get my hand mixer. Feel free to stop it and scrape the sides and scrape your beaters. You really want to get that orange zest and orange juice all into your cream cheese. After we've got this mixed in, then we're going to add in some of the cranberries and the pecans. Maybe your spoon will fit in there. You want to get all the cream cheese off of your beaters. Maybe if you just have a cracker nearby, you can just use a cracker and have a little snack. Okay. I like using the hand mixer for cream cheese dips because it makes the cream cheese even smoother. Is that a word? Smoothier? Okay. Let's grab half. I'm going to kind of mix on my plate here the cranberries and the pecans together. I'm going to grab about half. And we're going to mix those in nicely. All right, we are going to set the bowl aside. We are going to get out some of our saran wrap. And then you're going to take your cheese mixture and put it in the middle of your saran wrap. Get it all off the sides. Get that added to your cheese ball. And what we're going to do is we're going to shape this into our ball, put it in the fridge for a couple of hours. Really 1 to 2 will do if you are in a time crunch. And then when we're ready to go serve it, we're going to take off the saran wrap and roll it around the rest of our cranberries and pecans so it's got that layer on the outside. And as you kind of bring the corners together, it kind of shapes it already. Then you can kind of just mold it however you want. Speaking of Thanksgiving cheese balls, by the way, if you have candy corn and stick pretzels, or the little regular small mini pretzels, you can make a cheese ball turkey. Actually, maybe I will look and see if I've got those. I know we have candy corn. I'm sure we've got some pretzels. That's a great fun idea to make a little turkey out of your cheese ball. Oh wait, we're gonna set this into the fridge for a good hour or two. Then we'll bring it out and we'll roll it around and put it on the serving dish, and it'll be ready to go for a tasty appetizer. Finish up our cheese ball here, and I've gotten an actual dish that I'm gonna serve the cheese ball on. And so we're gonna take this saran wrap off of our cheese ball. And you can do this two ways. Honestly, you can, what I'm gonna do to help keep it from sticking to your fingers, you can take the whole cheese ball and roll it on your remaining cranberry and pecan pieces, or you can take them and kind of press and sprinkle them onto your cheese ball like so. You wanna make sure you get onto the sides. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and turn mine into a turkey. That idea just sounds fun and cute. I used to do that before the kids were littler. You don't want it to be super cramped because you want people to be able to get their crackers on in there. But then what you can do is you can kind of carefully hold on to the top, peel off your saran wrap, and then set her on down to your plate. Pretzels. Doesn't take too many. And I'm gonna get a piece of candy corn, maybe two. And I'm gonna get one of these. I'm gonna kind of go along the bottom so you can't really see it. You can kind of hide where you took a little cream cheese out of. And then you can place your turkey beak onto your cheese ball, like so. Stick your little pretzel down in there. Actually, I need a longer pretzel. Okay, let's try it again. And take it out of the back. Just kind of go like so. You might have to use your fingers and kind of, you're wanting to use the cream cheese as kind of like glue. There we go. Stick it into the one side of your cheese ball. And then you can make a tail feather either out of your crackers or out of pretzels or candy corn. And honestly, I've done it with goldfish before too. So if you got like a lot of little kids, you can put the goldfish on the back side. So you could do pretzels as a tail. I like to use round crackers. The nice townhouse crackers I feel like work pretty well also. Let's see if we can stick these in here. Like so. Let's do 4 tail feathers. And then I'm going to turn this around for just a second. And let's get another piece of candy corn. You stick them in the front, kind of looks like little feet. So there we go. It's just a cute little turkey. All right, you guys, this is such an easy appetizer. It's orange cranberry pecan cheese ball. Your family and friends are going to love it. Thank you all so much for watching us today. Be sure to check out all of our other Thanksgiving and holiday recipes. Help you out a ton. Be sure to subscribe. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. We'll see you guys next time.